Developer's Diary. In the previous lecture, we studied forms and items in Oracle Apex and design a form using a wizard option. In this lecture, we shall create form as a region in Oracle Apex. Now log into your Apex workspace, click App Builder, create a new application or choose an existing one. I'm going to choose this application. Now click Create Page and choose Interactive Grid. Employee Grid form. Then include form page and employee form. Res- Result. First, we shall create the form by wizard option, and then we shall create as a region by using the blank page. So click next. Before going to next page, choose your table, employees, and click next. Select the primary key, employee ID, and click create page. So this is your interactive grid, and you have a form that is attached with this interactive grid. Run your application. So this is your interactive grid. When you click the update icon, it shows the form, employee form using wizard. Then we have a buttons and click cancel. Now if we want to create form using wizard and attach with this interactive grid, so click create page and then use a blank page. Enter the name employee form using region and click create page. Now in the body, click create region and give the name employee details. Then choose form as a type and provide the name of your table employees. Click save. So this is your form. Now we shall attach this form with interactive grid. Expand your interactive grid. Click the app link and change the target from 24 to newly created form, employee form using region, which is 25. Then we clear cache of this 25 page. Similarly, we shall pick the target page employee ID, and we are setting the value of employee ID to the newly created page. Click OK, click Save, and run the application. Now, when we click on the update button, you can see the employee form using region. Everything is showing perfectly, but we don't have created buttons yet. So we shall go to the page that we have created as a region. Right click on it and create a button. First button is update button, and then we have the action behavior. In the behavior type, we have a action submit. Then we have the database action. What we want to do on this button. Then we have SQL update action. We shall choose that option and set the slot for this button. Now you can see it is in the change slot. Click save. Then we have processing. When the submit button or update button click, it submit the values to the session state. And after the session state, we want to store in the database. To store in the database, we use the processing. So click create processing and new one and choose the form auto row processing option, which is a built-in component. It store the value from session state to database in the respective table. The region that we are using for the form region is employee detail. You can see this. This is the employee detail region name. Then we go to the processing and give it a name, TML on employee page. So this is the processing. After processing, what we want to do, we want to navigate to the interactive grid page. So click create and create a new branch and define a target. You want to navigate to the employee grid. Click save and run the application. You can see you have the update button. So we shall move to the employee grid form. From here we shall update the last name. Then we click update. You can see the information has been updated against the selected employee. Similarly, we can use the cancel and insert button, yeah, update button for this employee region form. So that's all for today. I hope you have learned something useful by creating the employee form using region. See you in the next lecture.